dog is eating a whole damn orange, peel and all. Is that good? Is that good? Oh, you're still eating the peel. What is wrong with you? Is it that good? I got some more. So these dogs will eat anything from paint thinner. It's not paint thinner, just paint. Whatever. Hey, what are you two doing? You two making out? So this is Lucy. This one's Lucy. This one's Luxine. Luxine. You're left alone, little one. Hey. Hey there, little guy. You are weak. Weak and fragile you are. This guy looks like you. Okay. A lot of babies in there. This one's sleeping really well. I have me, one of her little babies. I want to see what she's gonna do. Oh, she's just licking. Hi guys. Hả? Nung được thấy nè.
Moไปไหมถ้าที่จะไปไหม
Sit. Sit. So that's the dad. That's not the mom, that's the dad. What are you doing? Here's the mom. Here's the mom. Yeah. That's the dad, not the mom. Okay, he's going in for it. Are they both? Are they both? Oh, they're both females. Never mind. Ah. Bye bye. Oh. So I just want to tell you a quick little, not so funny story, but yesterday there was one little kitty about the size of this guy. Actually, he was the small out of the litter. I just want to tell you, he has been eaten by one of these kitties. It's kind of a horror story, but I don't want to say no more. I think this little cat ate one of their little kitties. There were 10 of them. Now there are only 6 left. Not 6, 8 left. Hi. Got some more bad news. Another one died. I think it got crushed. It's really malnourished. It's dead. So many of you guys. Sorry I can't help you. It's just so many. Oh, they're out of the litter.
Hey guys.
Betak, mulai cari nak. Guys. Không cho tài bạc lại. Mother and daughter. A mother and her daughter. Do it again, do it again. Oh, your baby's calling you. I'm not even sure where she is. Down there, down there. Go. Find her. I'm not responsible for your child. What are you guys doing? Fostering friends. Now they're in the office. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with all these kitties, put them back in their place. Hi guys! Office kitties. I should dress them up. That'd be really funny. Time to put them back where